Hey, Dr. Nuesse here again with a little bit different type of video, a quick video today, kind of just an announcement video. Obviously, we're not in the normal setting. I'm at home today, so what I want to talk about today is my Instagram page and what we're putting up on our Instagram. We just started putting up recipes from our cookbook directly onto our Instagram. So make sure you're following our Instagram. I'm going to put the link in the description below. We're going to put in pictures of the before and after. We're going to put pictures of the prep, the instructions step by step on how to make these different recipes, as well as what they look like afterwards. So this is a really great way, a free way to take advantage of some of our recipes, and we're going to get these up as quickly as possible. So make sure you're following us on Instagram to get the details about all these recipes, and again, the before and after pictures of how you prep these recipes and what they look like when they turn out or when you're finished with them. So again, sorry for the informality of this video. Again, well, right here, as you can see, my son's room and how badly he wants me coming into his room right there. So again, sorry for the informality of this video, but I felt that this was an important topic. Please like our Instagram. It's a really useful tool that you can use to help your meal prep go smoothly. All right, I will catch everyone in the next video. Thanks.